Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from Polynomials exercise 3.4 second problem. Already we have completed first one. It is a division of polynomials. So see here what he has given in the second problem and what he is asking to find us. Check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So here he has given two polynomials. First, this is second. Check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial with the first polynomial. So when we say factor, if we get the remainder 0, we can say the divisor is the factor. So here this is the divisor, it is the dividend. So if we get the remainder 0, then t square minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. We can decide. So now we have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So see here already we have learned to division of the polynomials in the first problem clearly. So now we have to do in the same way. In the second problem there are 3 bits. This is the first bit. So now have to solve one by one. See here how can we do the division. So before going to do the division of the polynomials, we have to check whether the two polynomials are in their standard form or not. So this is the first polynomial. What is the standard form? The degrees of the terms in the polynomial should be in the decreasing order. So here the degree of this term is 2. Here the degree of this term is 0, 2 comma 0, as it is in the decreasing order. So this polynomial is in its standard form. So next second standard form, the degree of this first term 4. Here it is 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, it is also in its standard form. So here t square minus 3 comma 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So these two are in its standard form. Now we can proceed to do the division. So you have to follow the steps. If you follow the steps, you can do very easily. So first you have to understand how I am doing the division. So see here, first we have to write the given two polynomials are in its standard form. So write the second polynomial as the dividend 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. It is as a dividend. So next here t square minus 3 is the divisor. T square minus 3 is the divisor. So now I have to follow the steps. So the first step is, so this is the dividend, this is the divisor. Divide the highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of the divisor. So here the highest degree term is, now I am writing the steps here. So the highest degree term in the dividend is 2t to the power 4 divided by the highest degree term in the divisor is t square. So if you divide, you can get 2t square. 2t square. So t square we can get 2t. Write this 2t square in the quotient place. So here write 2t square. So in the second step, multiply the divisor with 2t square. That is 2t square into. So what is the divisor? T square minus 3. So multiply these two. So we get, see here, 2t square into t square, we can get 2t to the power 4. 2t square into minus 3 minus 6t square. So just we have to multiply. 2t square into t square is 2t to the power 4. 2t square into minus 3 minus 6t square. Now we have to write below the terms of the dividend, but the terms must be So like terms, here 2t to the power 4, right below the t to the power 4 term, 2t to the power 4. So here 3t cube is there, but there is no t cube term here. So leave the space of a t cube term as blank. So next minus 6t square is there, here minus 2t square, right, minus 6t square below the t square term only. So this is very important step. If you remember this, you can, if you follow this step, you can do very easily. So if you write minus t square below the t cube term, you can get confused. So this is very important. You have to write the like terms. It will be very easy now subtraction. So see here, now how to subtract. So here it is plus 2 to the power 4, it becomes minus becomes plus. So plus t to 2t to the power 4 minus 2t to the power 4 gets cancelled. 3t cube minus, here nothing is there, t cube, right, 3t cube as usual. So here minus 2t square plus 6t square, we can get 4t square plus 4t square plus 4t square. So next term minus 90 is there, take minus 90 to here. So now 3t cube plus 4t square minus 90. Again follow the same step. The highest degree term of the first dividend is 3t cube divided with t square. So now here the first term is 3t cube divided with first term of divisor, that is 3t cube divided by t square. So 3t cube divided by 3t square, we can get 3t. Write this 3t in the quotient area plus 3t. So in the next step, multiply the divisor with 3t. So here we get a 3t into t square minus 3. 3t into t square minus 3. So here 3t into t square, we can get a 3t cube. 3t into minus 3, we get minus 9t. So now we have to write 3t cube below the t cube term. So write 3t cube. So here there is no t square term, so leave t square term as a blank here. So next minus 90 is there. So write minus 90. So now subtract these two. So here minus 3t cube, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. 3t cube minus 3t cube gets cancelled. Minus 90 plus 90 gets cancelled. Here only 4t square is there. 4t square. So next here minus 12 is there. Write minus 12. 4t square minus 12. So here there is no t term. So 4t square minus 12 is there. So now again we have to follow the same step. Divide 4t square by t square again. So now the first term is 4t square by t square. So we can get 4. So write this 4 in the quotient area. So write plus 4. Multiply the divisor with 4. So we get 4 into t square minus 3 is equal to 4 into t square minus 3 is equal to 4 into t square is 4t square. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So write here 4t square and minus 12. So you can write these two like this. So subtract here, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. So these two gets cancelled, these two gets cancelled, we can get a remainder 0. So since the remainder is 0, we can say the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. So here therefore t square, well, so therefore we can write since the remainder is 0, t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So this is the first bit in the second problem. So next we have to solve the second bit. So just you have to remember the steps, you have to follow the steps, you can do very easily. So now I have to solve the second bit. This is the second bit in the second problem. Again he has given two polynomials here. He is asking to check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial with the first polynomial. So see here what he has given. First in the second bit, x square plus 3x plus 1 comma 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So now I have to check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. So by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial, we have to check. If we get the remainder 0, we can say that the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. So see here, now we have to do the division. So before going to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial, we have to check whether the given two polynomials are in their standard form or not. So here power should be in the decreasing order, or the degree of the terms should be in the decreasing order. So here the power is 2, 1, 0. Yes, it is in its standard form. So here also the power of the variable is 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, it is also in decreasing order. So the given two polynomials are in their standard form. So it is very important. If they are not in their standard form, first you have to write them in the standard form. So this is the very first step you have to remember before going to do the division of the polynomials. So now these two polynomials are in their standard form. Now we can do division. So first write the second polynomial as the dividend. So here the second polynomial is 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So write it is as a dividend. So write the first polynomial as divisor, that is x square plus 3x plus 1, x square plus 3x plus 1, write it as divisor. So now the first step, this is the highest degree term of the dividend. So this is the highest degree term of the divisor. So divide the highest degree term of the dividend with the highest degree term of the divisor. So that is we have to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. This is the first term. So 3x to the power 4 divided by, this is the first term, x square. We can get 3x to the power 4 divided by x square is equal to, we can get 3x square. 3x square. Write this 3x square in the quotient area. So write this 3x square. So in the second step, multiply the divisor with 3x square. Multiply the divisor with 3x square. That is, I am writing 3x square into x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x square into x square, we get 3x to the power 4. So 3x square into 3x, we can get 9x cube. So 3x square into plus 1, we get plus 3x square plus 3x square. So you have to write here. So first write the terms below the dividend terms as like terms. So here 3x to the power 4 is there. Write 3x to the power 4 below the x to the power 4 term. So write the x cube term below the x cube term. Here 9x cube is there. Write it is as below 5x cube. So here 3x square is there. Write it is as below the 7x square term. So plus 3x square it is, write 3x square. So now how to subtract. So here this plus becomes minus, it is also plus becomes minus, it is also plus becomes minus. So here 3x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 4, these two gets cancelled. 5x cube minus 9x cube, we get minus 4x cube, minus 4x cube. So minus 7x square minus 3x square, we get minus 10x square, minus 10x square. So next take next term, it is plus 2x. So take 2x. So again this becomes a dividend now. Again the highest degree term is minus 4x cube. Again same step you have to follow. So divide minus 4x cube with x square again. So minus 4x cube divided by, in the next step we have to follow, the third step is minus 4x cube divided by x square. Minus 4x cube divided by x square is equal to, we can get minus 4x. Minus 4x. So write this in the quotient area. Write this. In the next step, multiply the divisor with minus 4x. So I am multiplying here minus 4x into x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to. So minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus 4x into plus 3x, it is minus 12x square. So minus 4x into plus 1 minus 4x. So write this below the terms of the dividend. Minus 4x cube right here. So next to minus 12x square is there. Write minus 12x square below the x square term. So next to minus 4x is there. Write minus 4x below the x term. Again subtract. So it becomes plus. It becomes plus. It becomes plus. So minus 4x cube plus 4x cube gets cancelled. It is minus 10x square plus 12x square. We get 2x square. So here plus 2x plus 4x, it becomes plus 6x. So next to plus 2 is there. Take plus 2. Okay. So now 2x square plus 6x plus 2. This is the dividend. Again follow the same step. The highest degree term is 2x square. Divide 2x square by x square again. So next step we have to divide 2x square divided by x square. So we can get 2. X square cancel. We can get 2. Write 2 in the quotient area. So now multiply the divisor with 2. That is 2 into x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1. So here 2 into x square is 2x square plus 2 into 3x is 6x plus 2 into 1 is 2. So now here write here 2x square plus 6x plus 2. So now subtract, it becomes minus minus minus. So 2x square minus 2x square cancelled, 6x minus 6x cancelled, 2 minus 2 cancelled. We can get the remainder 0. So since the remainder 0, the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. Therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So therefore x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So like this we can say whether the first one is a factor of the second one by dividing. So if we get the remainder 0, we can say factor. If we don't get the remainder 0, simply we can say it is not a factor. So this is the second bit in the second problem. Next we have to solve the third bit. This is the third bit in the second problem. Again he has given two polynomials. He is asking check whether the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So here what he has given, see here, this is the first polynomial x cube minus 3x plus 1. So this is the second polynomial x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So now we have to divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. If we get the remainder 0, we can say the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial. If we don't get the remainder 0, we can say that the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So now how to divide? So before going to do the division of the polynomials, we have to check whether the given two polynomials are in their standard form or not. So the powers of the variable should be in the decreasing order. If they are in the decreasing order, we can say they are in the standard form. So here the power of the x is here 3, 1 0. So 3 comma 1 comma 0, yes, the powers are in decreasing order, so it is in its standard form. So here x to the power 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. It is also in its standard form. So the given two polynomials are in their standard form. So now we can proceed to do the division. So see here, first write the second polynomial as the dividend and the first polynomial as the divisor. So now we have to write the second polynomial as dividend. But here, see here, x to the power 5 minus 4x cube is there. There is no x to the power 4 term in the second polynomial. So this is the dividend. So dividend must have each and every term to do the division. So I am writing like this. See here, after x to the power 5, there is no x to the power 4 term, but I am writing as it is 0 into x to the power 4. This is very, very important. You have to remember. So for the dividend, after the highest degree term, each degree term must have, then only we can do the division very easily. Otherwise you can get confused here. So x to the power 5 plus x, there is no x to the power 4 term here, but I am writing 0 into x to the power 4. Then the value doesn't change here. So minus 4x cube, right, as usual. Minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So now next write that as a divisor, x cube minus 3x plus 1. But here also there is no x square term, but this is divisor. So we need not to write 0 into x square in the divisor. We must write in the dividend only. Okay. So write as usual, x cube minus 3x plus 1. X cube minus 3x plus 1. So now we have to follow the steps. The highest degree term in the dividend is x to the power 5. The highest degree term in the divisor is x cube. We have to divide x to the power 5 by x cube. That is the first step. So I am dividing. See here, x to the power 5 divided by x cube. So we get x square. X to the power 5 divided by x cube is x square. Write x square in the quotient area. Write x square in the quotient area. So next, in the second step, multiply the divisor with x square. So multiply the divisor with x square, that is x square into divisor is x cube minus 3x plus 1. X cube minus 3x plus 1. That is x square into x cube, x to the power 5. X square into minus 3x minus 3x cube plus x square into 1 is x square. X square into 1 is x square. So now write this x to the power 5. Write x to the power 5. So here there is no x to the power 4 term. So leave this x to the power 4 term as blank. So here minus 3x cube is there. So write x cube below the x cube term, minus 3x cube plus x square is there, right here, plus x square. So now subtract. So upon subtract, and plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So x to the power 5 minus x to the power 5 gets cancelled. Here 0 into x to the power 4 we need not to write. So minus 4x cube plus 3x cube, we can get minus x cube. Minus x cube. So plus x square minus x square, it gets cancelled. So next to plus 3x plus 1 is there. Plus 3x plus 1. So right, I am writing plus 3x plus 1. So now divide the x cube term with x cube. This is here the highest degree term is minus x cube divided by x cube. So third one, minus x cube divided by x cube is equal to. So minus x cube by x cube is equal to minus 1 we get. Write this minus 1 in the quotient area. So next, in this next step, multiply the divisor with minus 1. That is minus 1 into x cube minus 3x plus 1. So we get minus 1 into x cube is minus x cube, minus 1 into minus 3x is plus 3x, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. So right here we have minus x cube, but here plus 3x. So here minus 1 is there. Now I have to subtract. It becomes plus, it becomes minus, it becomes plus. So minus x cube plus x cube gets cancelled. Plus 3x minus 3x gets cancelled. But here 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have remainder is 2. Since the remainder is not equal to 0, the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So therefore, see here how can we write? I am writing here. Therefore, since the remainder is not equal to 0, x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So here the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. So this is the third bit in the second problem. Totally there are 3 bits. We have completed all the 3 bits. So just you have to follow the steps, you can do very easily. So now this is the second problem. So that's all today's class. We will meet in the next class with the third problem. Thanks for watching.